Hello friends, welcome to my channel TKF Electronics Repair. Today I have this model Yamaha Natural Sound AV Receiver HTR-3066 model. The problem I think in this power is not getting on. See, let us check it out. I'll put the power. I put the power. Now check it out. See, it's not getting on. See, it's not getting on. Let's check it out inside. I just open the screws. Power is on. Let us check it out whether the power is coming or not. AC power. Let's check it out. The AC power is coming. AC is coming. See, 242 power is coming. Okay, we'll check the DC. We'll check on the switch. Here's the switch. Yeah, it's coming on the switch 3.2 volt. It means 5 power is getting on. But we'll check here on the pin number. Here also the motherboard also getting power. It's okay. So let's check it out. The switch itself, I think it's not getting on. See, the power is not getting on. Oh, so as I think as I switch on this one, as I shorted this one, maybe it will get on. I'm not sure, but we'll check it out. Yeah, guys, see, the problem is the switch. Please get on. See, so it means the problem in the switch, I think. See, it's off. See, it's get off. So let's change the switch. We'll change the switch. Well friends, first remove the power plug from the AC input and try to remove the switch here. Yeah, this is the culprit. I think so. Yeah, we'll change the switch. See guys, I just clean out and I removed the faulty one switch. See, this is not showing continuity anymore, so I'll put the new one now. So I put the new one. See friends, this is the old switch. See, this is not getting continuity anymore. See, there is no beep sound. And this one, see, okay friends, how to check the switch you also came to know. It's well and good that. So if you are facing a problem like this, it's very simple, but it's quite risky also. You have to take care of each and everything. So once you replace the switch, just put it back, all the screws, whatever the screws you removed from anywhere. Don't forget any screws anywhere. So screws are very important for the PCB to hold the switch and to hold everything. So this is my humble request to you. If you want to know more about all the repairings, kindly subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload new video, you will get immediate response of my video. Now we'll check it out after replacing the switch, guys. So I will put on the power. So we'll check it out here. See, only switch problem. It's working fine. See, everything is working fine. Well guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload new video, you will get immediate notification. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.